This seems like a cheap, no-brainer show to keep Chicken Pot Pie Day math teacher student shirt producing during COVID, and if they're shopping it around like the article says, I wonder if one of the streaming giants will snatch it up in this current exclusives arms race. Comedy Central's pivot to animation. Chicken Pot Pie Day math teacher student shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. There's a really old YouTube video of him interviewing Chicken Pot Pie Day math teacher student shirt George Carlin, and he seems to genuinely love the art of comedy. Tosh has always been a good comedian. One of his first Comedy Central specials was and is one of my favorites to this day. The one where he ends on the MTV Cribs joke. Very self-aware and avidly shits on himself, especially for being a shallow Hollywood sellout type, as much as he makes fun of anyone else. He also managed to strike a great balance, poking fun at his weirdo guests while treating them like people and giving them a chance to be understood on their own terms. Other products.